Hey, welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome. Today, another surprise. What is it? Baked egg cups. Now, just look at this recipe. Now, here you have a variety of things you can do. You can add ham to it, you can add bacon to it, whatever you like, and basically unlimited toppings. But I just added the egg because I like the fluffiness and I like the taste of the egg, and it's very soft and moist. Now you have to try this. Let me show you how simple this is to put together. Here we go. Now I'm only making about 6 cups. After all, it's only for my wife and I. So what I like you to do to make 6, I would put about 4 eggs in, just like this, and let's just put a pinch of salt. You really don't need more than that. Now let's break these eggs up and mix it with the salt. Let's stir it just a little bit here, and to make it fluffy, let's just add a splash of milk. Don't add too much. And now let's keep on stirring it and beating it. How many beats? I don't know. 50, 100, I don't know, tell you the truth. What I do is I just keep on beating it until it becomes frothy and airy, just like this. Now grab yourself a wrap, basically any type of wrap. You've got all these different types. You have corn, you have wheat, whatever wrap that you like. Grab a cupcake tray and get a round object that can give us a measurement a little bit bigger than the opening. Now it's very simple. Grab the object you use for a measurement, put it down on your wrap. Now sometimes the wrap will allow you to have 2 cups, sometimes they'll allow you to have 4. It depends. And just cut all the way around just like this, and this is exactly what we want. And now I will work on the other ones. Now this is a Teflon pan, but you know something? I like to add a little touch of oil, just a little bit, just to coat the inside. And you know what that does? When I go to remove the cups, it's going to make my life a lot easier. And here's my 6 round patties that I am using. Okay, now it's very simple. Just take a little patty and push it in like this and try to make it a little bit square on the bottom. But I want you to be careful not to make a hole or rip it on the bottom, because if you do, the egg is going to leak out. It will still be good, but a little messy. Now here comes the easy part. I want you to take your mixture. I have this little small ladle, and I want you to pour the mixture right in, but don't go all the way to the top. Leave about 1/4 of an inch on the top because I don't want it to overflow. Now I'm adding some white cheddar cheese. What kind of cheese do you want? Whatever cheese that you like. Just make sure it has a good melting point. And so we start putting a little bit here, a little bit there, but once again, do not overfill the cups because the egg will swell. Now into a preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. But you need to keep an eye on it because not all ovens are the same, so be careful. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. Look at that, absolutely perfect. And you see, they did not overflow out of the wrap. This is what we want. Now take a little toothpick, stab it in the meaty part, and it's not wet but just a bit moist. It is done. Now are we done? Not yet. Here I'm adding some chopped chives. You can add green onions, you can add parsley, whatever you like. Now let them sit for about a couple of minutes, and then just grab a small spatula like this and just work around the edges and it will pop right out. So once again, we reached the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and please try it. So once again, I have to say it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.